Tell you about Black Remusy. I stop Rastafari. Oi, oi. It's the last thing I will take. Ayo. Hey, these are the trumpets that making the sound. Hey, watch over us. Emperor Selassie, hide them your roads, rugged and steep. I know it is a must for us to make it home, even through them your gnashing of teeth. Hey, guide over us. Holy Emmanuel, his knees could never get weak. I know it is a must for us to make it home. Through them you're gnashing of teeth on each. These are those who constantly they have been placing the rocks on the traps, leaving their snares laying. And then wish for all of them hate to be falling. Yet in them face the witness die uprising. Feeling high, making it onto my way. No apology, fire on them every day. Conspiracy leads the game you play. Now the fall on the knees without my say. Hey, guide over us. Holy Emmanuel, I is a road, rugged and steep. I know it is a must for us to make it home, even through them you're gnashing of teeth. Yo, guide over us. Emperor Selassie, his knees could never get weak. I know it is a must for us to make it home, even through them you're gnashing of teeth. Them for know I'm from the mountain and the valleys. Oh, oh, just tell me so I run both river banks. Within life you've got the valleys, yeah, yeah. Here is the Rasta youth voice giving thanks. Hey, Jaja, give my man health and strength. Working for you makes no sense. You could never put a dime in my pocket. King Selassie on the front line, so watch this. Guide over us. Emperor Selassie, I them your road, rugged and steep. I know it is a must for us to make it home, even through them you're gnashing of teeth. Hey, guide over us. I get the food until them outside. Remember say you got wolves there in a sheep cloth. Yet things will be alright. Oh, culture. Living in Rome, my people, how safe you are. Away from your home, I say you're oh so far. He has been crowned for fighting so many wars. Black belongs to the throne, Melchizedek. Me, the stars, red, gold, and green. And as the hurt filled my heart with joy unfold. Prince and princess makes your concord the land of love, filled with righteousness for I and I. Keep I safe in your arms, Emperor Selassie. Hail, King Selassie, Ethiopia's own divine majesty, Emmanuel, holy, holy, take us home, Marcus Garvey, first time king of creation, from the western hemisphere for repatriation, cunning works, no source of inspiration, causing hurt, devising trump for the nation, in their own self-will, the kids make it high, I and I, marketing black people when I summarize, open the eyes, yo, hail, King Selassie, Ethiopia's own divine majesty, Emmanuel, holy, holy, take us home, Marcus Garvey. I had the blood and fire warrior, traveling from in those times. For the ark of the covenant, I had the carrier that never yet left me mind. Full bow, Empress Margot, she has been so divine. Let them know we must go to Mount Zion on a full time. Babylon set the captives free. Do you tell him Emmanuel at the key? So long and so many years, you in a Babylon a cry wasted tears. Hey, King Selassie, Ethiopia's own divine majesty, Emmanuel, holy, holy, take us home, Marcus Garvey. Hey, living in Rome, black people, how safe you are. Away from your home, I say you're oh so far. He has been crowned for fighting so many wars. Black created the throne, Melchizedek. Me, the stars, red, gold, and green.
And as the hurt filled my heart with joy in one fold, prince and princess makes your convoy.
The land of love, the land for I and I. Keep us safe in your arms, Emperor. Slow joy, hey,
that's the way get a youth want to be, so we can spray. Yo, pick the beam out of your eye before you judge nobody. Take the red Sam and Tony and start chill family, we set free. That's the way the black man want to be, feel the Trinity. Yo, pick the beam out of your eye before you judge nobody. Take the red Sam and Tony and start chill. Meditation unlimited, yes that a me. Foundation solid, yes that a me. I think positive, yes that a me. Me not think negative, yes that a me. Be a blessing will give, yes that a me. Babylon we are saver, yes that a me. Number out pan them paper, yes that a me. Me go me locks it better than them weak, so we shout out free. That's the way get a youth want to be, so we can spray. Hey, make the beam out of your eye before you judge nobody. Take the red Sam and Tony and start chill family, we sing free. That's the way the black man want to be, feel the Trinity. Yo, make the beam out of your eye before you judge nobody. Take the red Sam and Tony and start chill. Yo, can't use get a man like them a mogul. Can't come tear them like Turlina Hull. What them empty rasta comfy full. Justice them lock up, I hit me pull. We do the two of the brave, bad like bull. Chant lightning, that means a powerful. Don't try stop your brother when you see my dream good. Leave all judging to Jaja that you showed. That we sing free, that's the way get a youth want to be, so we can spray. Yo, make the beam out of your eye before you judge nobody. Take the red Sam and Tony and start your family, we sing free. That's the way the black want to be. Every day them come at this the ghetto youth, kick them with the Gideon boot. Babylon crank up in us, send them one shoot. Kick them with the Gideon boot. Come on! Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see the poor get exploited. But racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see poor get exploited. But racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. When you're brown stick around, but them no like it when you're blacker. Choo Babylon art like a maca. White crime so high down in a jam rocker. Education they get on you them locker. Still perfect now live a merry maca. No man said them nah follow maca nah blacker. Run with them good man out a road a follow backa. Select a pull up back the tracker. Come on. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see the poor get exploited. All racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see poor get exploited. All racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. If you say you're not muggle where the blink for, married man go club them where the ring for. Me no love enough youth out a road, them a move well at them, me a sing this a song for. Well it's life and riches and no time no for badness. Hail King Selassie, burn out your madness. When I will be enough of them can't deal with, and we a blaze up this slackness. You know here, justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see the poor get exploited. All racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see poor get exploited. All racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. My son left figure school and she hear him dead. What that happen? Oh, earth so
You're mighty and you're mighty and come on and pray with me. Say a prayer. Anthony B. I wish my country would be crime free. Too much guns in town. Them running Kingston like a cowboy town. Too much guns in town. I mean no say gonna make a jam down. Oh. So why you kill your brothers? It don't make no sense.
That no make no sense. It doesn't make no sense. Say you a bad man because you lack self-confidence. And to you wicked, nobody can escape from your incident. Too much case and Smith and Western. Kill your brother now a roadside him left pan. As you in argument, you quick figure press pan. Now stop talking when you act like you're left man. And your life out a full time you check pan. Me no need your vote, this is not election. Look how me talk to the right and the left one. Now them dead and mama distress left fan. Too much guns in town. Them running Kingston like a cowboy town. Yaga yo, too much guns in town. I mean no say gonna make a jam down. Me I tell you, inna the ghetto, too much division, too much ends and too much little dan, too much pressure from the big to the little man. Well a full time now we make a decision. Equal rights and justice we born religion. From Africa to the Caribbean, we no want no bloodshed from we little land. Full time you listen to the Rasta man. Listen. Too much guns in town. Them running Kingston like a cowboy town. Yaga yo, too much guns in town. I mean no say gonna make a jam down. As Mikey say, them will kill your mama, them will kill your papa, murder your sister, shot down your brother. Yes, this a country, couldn't get no redder. And that's why me I say let's come together. Boy, work hard, go and look me trader. Help get a youth, climb up the ladder. Don't bad mind for you one another. Say yeah, my brother. See too much guns in town. Them running Kingston like a cowboy town. Yaga yo, too much guns in town. I'm in no section
for your full attention. Bless my soul, no child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I never stray from thee, no way. As I journey on through life, this road seems never ending. Be my light so I might find the way that's narrow and winding. Help me hold my faith, and lead me to thy gate. Let me enter in your pavilion of righteousness. Bless my soul, no child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I will never stray from thee, no way. I will sing of mercy and judgment unto thee, O Lord, and I will walk along thy path with a perfect heart. I will set no evil thing before my eyes, and I will give thee praise with each day I rise, and I will never get weary, as long as you are here with me. I will walk uprightly, sing unto you with honor and glory. Bless my soul, oh child, and all that's within me. Oh Most High God, glory be to the Most High God, hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. For all the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. I look around the world today, oh God, and you will see Pharisees and backbiters taking up in vanity. But I know you control my destiny, and from you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. My heart is willing, my flesh is weak, but still, oh God, I seek to walk your way, your holy way. I pray my soul you keep. Though my enemies encamp at me, I know I will stand forevermore under your banner, and for always in your hand. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today.
What's enough? Get a youth. There is no time to guys. Some come for story to patch I corrupt for Bingy man create yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up, no come yourself you waste out your days yo. You know see so them are guys. Them come for story to patch I corrupt for Bingy man create yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth hurry up because I King Selassie. Ethiopia see now stretch out. To King Selassie I no more rocking on the boat. Things are get ready on the western coast. Enough of them are dead, you might think say a joke. Them have the money and still them can't float. I come to separate the sheep from the goat. Looking at the if you see how about it out. Give them the chalice and them end up a talk. Can't bunny earth, them run guns not coke. The fire, then now who want the smoke. Give the youth the culture cause I eat me and promote. Them must come together, Rastafari and no joke. No take no talk. You must see so them on haze. Them come for story top and corrupt what the Bingy man create yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Get a youth to no hurry up because I King Selassie man I praise yo. You know see so them on haze. Them come for story top and corrupt what the Bingy youth create yo. Selassie open every gate. Bingy youth to no hurry up because me not come here. Be still coming, know them gone. Jack did hear me plant food and corn. The youths come first and me no left it farm. I till the day them want make them a scorn. Babylon be still allow me make me go on. Up on the hill no dirty work me no perform. Sure them your journey get redder than warm. The youths them cut all the slave master land. I do nothing forget the bloody money in our palm. We not and come. We must see some them guys. Them come for story top and corrupt what the Bingy man create yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up no come yourself you waste out with days yo. We must see some them guys. Them come for story top and corrupt what the Bingy man create yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Bingy youth no hurry up no come yourself you. Do all the honor, give the youth the betterment. Educate them right, feed them upliftment. I no settlers, no give I no settlement. I run the police, this a bigger judgment. What's the result from your conference? No solution, you confuse you and your friends. Babylon last, come to an end. Babylon the fake, going down again. Lightning message, slap England. Burn them to assist them a pollute and land. Lightning message up in a the Pentagon. Find them a fight for King Selassie position. Take them your message to the Ethiopian. Tell them Emperor Selassie is the almighty man. Lightning message for every nation. To King Selassie I boast the generation. Me tell them say, you know see some them case. Them come for story top and corrupt what the Bingy man create yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up no come yourself for guys out for days yo. You know see some them case. Them come can't destroy the fruits. Well then, well, youths make a living. Youths make a living cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Youths make a living. Youths make a living cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Come on, Maggie, your tough boy. out run for them. All them what you do is fire gun for them. So I see I judgment I come for them. Rasta man a shout fire burn for them. Them now tell you build a house, one piece of land. Them now put $1 million in your hand. Them now tell you Africa is the motherland. Get your youth to the right, stop to the wrong. Hey, youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Don't sell no gun, don't sell no coke. Use your education, set a business, don't joke. Think something smart and bust through the gate. By the sweat, how you brow, you put your food in your plate. Sister, I tell yourself to use your talent. And pray to King Selassie, you must get your strength. You sit down one corner, still nah, do not know. Learn a skill, learn a trade. Hey, get up and do something, I tell you. Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. And when you see the poor, I give you the poor. Them set it for we poor, we have to make it to the door. Hey, and if you rob the poor, I beat your skin until it's sore. Black people business, you know fi ignore. Poor. Them lyrics are the people who want more. Me have to sing more, me have to bring more. Singing from Africa up to Singapore. Me bless up on me shore. Yo! Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't got one thing given. Youth make a living, youth make a living, cause Babylon ain't
work hard to achieve all my objectives. Yeah, man. If you wanna read, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you wanna reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. Work harder. Love your mother and your father, your sisters and your brother. And even when the going gets harder, yeah, make sure you stick together. Share love for one another, like birds of a feather. Good over evil and burn the evil endeavor. If you wanna read, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you wanna reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. You will make it if you try. Them say opportunity come only but once. So when it come, make sure you advance. And nobody tell me say you never get a chance. Work hard for your needs and not do for your wants. Keep it straight, don't tell me say you slang. Word, sound and power, say no lock down the dance. You love to hear the youth, them a chant. Agriculture, food, have a plan. If you wanna read, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you wanna reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. Have your direction and you have to take a stand. Who like the lion say, can't call. I don't want to tell them something to me. Yo, 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 yo. Say ya, yo. Now go walk your walk, cause when you walk on the road of corruption, you walk, yo. Now go talk your talk, cause when you talk, it not come from your heart, no. When now go sing, you sing, cause when you sing, you never hear the king, no. When now go do, you do, cause the things you do, you know them never true. So I will never cherish no wrong, and I'll always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, me say down ya in a Babylon and bounce them ya wicked man. I will never cherish no wrong, and I'll always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, me say down ya in a Babylon amongst them ya wicked man. Song when me a sing of the salvation. The song when me a sing of emancipation. Song when me a sing of the revolution. Song when me a sing a song of redemption. Song when me a sing of the revelation. Song when me a sing of repatriation. Song when me a sing of the free me nation. The song when me a sing of the I will never cherish no wrong, and I'll always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, me say down ya in a Babylon amongst them the wicked man. I will never cherish no wrong, and I'll always be strong. Even through the accusation. Down ya in a Babylon amongst them the wicked man. Works of the righteous man will always flourish. Works of the wicked man will always perish. Me say about and them no stop from lavish. Be a propaganda, me say them a establish. Be a arms out, me say me catch them a publish. This man the world, them know you must get demolished. I miss a man that them now that you a polish. Fire when me light, me say can't extinguish. I will never cherish no wrong, and I'll always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, we say down ya in a Babylon amongst them the wicked man. I will never cherish no wrong, and I'll always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, we say down ya in a Babylon amongst them the wicked man, yo. And I'm gonna walk your walk, cause when you walk on the road of corruption, you want to know why opportunity is such a scarce commodity. Yo. Somebody tell me no, why there is so much discrimination in society. It seems like there's no love, just hate and grudge, not even a hug for the poor people. It seems like there's no love. What is, what was, not even a hug for the poor people. I tell you, Mama want to send her youth to school, but she can't find 1 cent. Capture piece of land she couldn't afford for parent. Papa cut me cause him never have the patience to sit around and watch the kids grow decent. Grow without a father, mama turn the replacement. Single mother, she a do it from Asian. Teach us to work hard, not be complacent. Stand up and be proud and let us. Seems like there's no love, just hate and grudge, not even a hug for the poor people. It seems like there's no love. What is, what was, not even a hug for the poor people. Yes, I plan to make my mama proud. She's always on my mind when I touch the road. There's certain things in life I never grow to afford, but I come to change that mode. Mama said, son, go for what you want. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't. So in all the hills I never get the opportunity to plant. So the microphone to come here. It seems like there's no love, just hate and grudge, not even the hug for the poor people. It seems like there's no love. The economical crisis. Look around. Can't tell. See yo, at the time now when we say love we go raise and another fire stick up we go blaze. Fire we go burn. At the time now we show them move brave, real rasta not trim not shame. Yo, at the time now when we say love we go raise and another fire stick up we go blaze. Blaze it blaze. At the time now we show them move brave, real warrior go sharpen your blade. We just now go bout to politician because man no funny. No sir. Every Jamaican proud fi have a only. No matter which party or who are running, them don't want to get to youth and make no money. Through them rob we from the days of old. The Rasta now go bow down to Mr. Golden. Them coulda have money like
like Nova Scotia. Rasta go bow down to Miss Portia. Equal rights and justice be short for. We need a little more than the hand to mouth, yeah. Some call parcel I see I and check that out, yeah. For me vote them and we cut that throat, yeah. Yo, at the time now when we say hell we go raise and another fire stick up you go blaze it up. At the time now we show them move every rasta no trim no shave no barber trim. At the time now when we say hell we go raise and another fire stick up you go blaze it. At the time now we show them move every warrior go sharpen you blaze. The youth them say burn the fire, burn the compound. This a politics thing a big let down. Metropolitan no stop pushing the youth them at town. Every day them say another gun found. Tell me if a bad mind thing or a envy. Ease up the pressure, Desmond Mackenzie. Corruption say ya go no need fi cleanse it. Come in no it a mash up the country. I don't know if stop from blame the music. Cause every campaign you know always a youth with. So why when the crime get out of hand, you no blame politician, you no always want come blame musician. So at the time now when we say love we go raise and another fire stick up we go blaze it. At the time now we show them move every rasta no trim our shade. At the time now when we say yeah.
Oh, yo, yeah. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you wicked trap them I said. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you them a rush and roulette. Get a youth man a rise, bad mind want him pop down. Gonna hold your man from sunrise to sundown. But that to carry what's the words on your bad tongue. We burn out the bad mind thing and jam down. Now the get a youth make him stress. You always come on with bad vibes. Why this system so connive? Them no like we see you have a hot car a drive. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you wicked trap them I said. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you them a rush and roulette. Poor man want food, clothes and shelter. I can hear the cry out a road, but still no help, yeah. Them no like it when you help yourself. The dirty system why you fence yourself. In the line of success, them why you bent yourself. Them no love when you arise and no motivate yourself. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you wicked trap them I said. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it. No what you them a rush and roulette. When you bad mind you better where you get from that. Disrespect your mother where you get from that. Me chant more life and you a promote gunshot. You know you me say the arms house fist up. Boy, more money, more life man I deal with. More house, more wife man I deal with. No bagger, show off and the one bagger hype. Time to live right man I deal with. Don't worry, don't you fret. A life over it.
Pocket is empty, no money to buy, and God knows I'm hungry. Don't ask me why. I guess it's a system on working on me. No, I'm just a victim of poverty. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better day. I gotta do is open, trust, and pray. Yeah. And I know that my God will lead the way. I say it's not easy on my pilgrim's journey. The burden I carry is more than I can bear. Why should I worry when I can pray? I know God will show me how to conquer my fear. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I got to do is open, work, and pray. And I know that my God will lead the way. Just said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Jah said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Heaven and earth shall pass. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. Them done dead already, from them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done dead already, from them I forget reality. Them done dead already, them better keep it from me. Them done dead already, them a walk in the peace. Should them fight against the roots and culture. That's why them a live like vulture. Yes, them fight against the right tradition. That's why them get caught up in Babylon. 400 years so long, and still they're living wrong. They don't wanna live as one. All of them a live like Taliban, but them done did already. From them no love the Almighty. Say them done did already. From them I forget reality, Lord. Them done did already. Them better keep it from me. Them done did already. Them a walk in the peace. I junk crow and I'm out them conscience for dollars and cents. Them a sell out them looks and them conscience like them don't have no sense. All those who laid the foundation no get no recompensation, and still this young generation don't seem to care one damn. That's why them done did already. From them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done did already. From them I fight against reality. Yeah. Them done did already. Them better keep it from me.
I'm man if you make. It no make no sense.
Babylon, you cruel, 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 cruel. More fireman and say I'm more fuel. Yes, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. Well, I'm the wicked man and figure bed like jewel. Yes, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. Never speak the truth, you only lie, you never true it. Yes, you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. If I don't bun, them more cruel. Babylon went down, blood down. In your own blood, we say you are going down. Go down, blood down. No fear to you to put under the ground. Go down, go down. Some men burn them up with words and powers and sound. Go down,
Get down. Someone catch up on the track and I go drown. My voice is like the instrument. Word, sound and power with good influence. But the wicked man with the things where them I implement. Them done it deliberately, it was coincidence. Vampire get pegged with them penicillin. Some find out them don't got no diligence. Sell out the ghetto youth them true dividends. That's the far I tell the youth them intelligence. Tell them again, me tell them say go down, go down. Well if I get to you to put under the ground. Get down, blood down. You know you wanna blood, me say you are go down. Get down, get down. Rastafari bless the youth with great powers and sound. Get down, get down. Burn comedian on the clown. Alright, so me say again. The things in the ghetto ain't proper. Them treat the ghetto youth them like crapper. And turn poor people in a squatter. Give them gun, then turn them in a shatter. Bullets start shoot them like maca. Enough of them got turn gun tatter. Gun longer. See them now Rastafari tell the youth the fire heart. And so me say again, get down, get down. Vampires and pagan, the whole of them a clown. Get down, get down. And the leaders them a let the people down. Get down, get down. I listen and say at the kings of kings the way the triple crown. Get down, get down. When they see the ghetto youth them don't frown. Babylon you too cruel, cruel, cruel. Well I'm more fire, me I say I'm more fuel. Yes you're too cruel, cruel, cruel. Who your man and vampire Capleton melt them like jewel. Cruel, cruel, cruel. Yo, them never speak the truth, them never true will. Some say them cruel, cruel, cruel. Rastafari bun them up will. The whole of them are thief. Yo, me hear them talk about hey, humanitarian.
It was an invasion. Babylon Corral, me place them on to overthrow. Me look like say none of them no left up at the station. How with them near boat? Fireman and blaze go out. It was an invasion. Babylon Corral, me place them on to overthrow. Me look like say none of them no left up at the station. How with them near boat? Fireman and blaze go out. Well in a me place me have me big tune at home. Me high grade and me chalice become man no smoke blunt. Fat piece of something figure pump. Well in a my pants when me soak me start jump. But me do me here, rugo me here I come. Me say who goes, yeah them know, the beast is at the sun. Me say want no one coke, me no have none. I want no one gun, me no have none. Cause I be high grade up in a me cranium. Right I know me woman ready to go have fun. It was an invasion. Babylon Corral me place them on to overthrow. Me look like say none of them no left up at the station. How with them here bout, fireman and blaze car out. Was an invasion. Babylon Corral me place them on to overthrow. Me look like say none of them no left up at the station. How with them here bout, fireman and blaze car out. Well I was surrounded by soldiers and cop. Grip through me window, I was so very shocked. Me see M16 SLR, Uzi and Glock. Everything the panka, like them want fire shot. Me I wonder how them boy I want shot. Me no Saddam Hussein, we come from Iraq. No weapon of mass destruction, me no have no poison gas. Me no have no coke, me no have no crack. Nah no gun, me nah no shot. The boy them approach me from two me house stop. Me chalice did a blaze, a wheat seed go pop. Now me door, and me window everything drop flat. Me yell King Selassie non-stop. Yeah, hear me? It was an invasion. Babylon Corral me place them on to overthrow. Me look like none of them no left up at the station. How with them near boat, fireman and place go out. Was an invasion. Babylon Corral me place them on to overthrow. Me look like none of them no left up at the station. How with them near boat, fireman and place go out. Me say soldiers one JR, 2 JR, 3 JR, 4 JR. I wonder if them boy a go a war. Whoa, me say tankers and me say car, Glock, M16 and SLR. Alright, tell them to leave out Rasta. Yo, I'm going to look for all the imposter. We kill a man for less than a faster. Man, I search me kitchen and look for fish and lobster. Me tell him say, Rasta they even eat them pasta. Whoa, me no know who kill my Saska. Now tell me about you, searching for Alaska. I hear say I him lock me a skull Oscar. Was a invasion. Babylon Corral me place. Want to overthrow me look like none of them no left up at the station. I with them hear about fireman and place go out. Was a invasion.
Love is the current of life, you know, to chastise. Oh, a Rastafari, you protect and care for the people, so do likewise. them better know. Yeah, love is the current of life, you know, feature stars. Our King Selassie, you protect and care for the people, so do likewise. Make it good, yeah. Boom, the Rasta man a go to. Yo, him a fi hustle him, and him a juggle him room. Boom, the Rasta man a go to. Black people carry up, that's why the whole of them a blossom and bloom. Boom, the Rasta man a go to. Hustle him, and him a juggle him roots. And the truth, boom, the Rasta man a go to. Protect and care for the little ghetto youth. Bust through the hearts, clean turban and slanders. My garments put together, me a priest, me bone Santa. Burn them critics and slander. Burn the prophecy and me a burn propaganda. The two we first before I left the pagan and panda. We not go bow, we come for uplift the standard. Come make we from Babylon under. Show them a signs and slave them a wonder. People ask the question, well nobody answer. This government was brought forth and sponsored by Rastafari, so black people get stronger. Let's see I make my life get longer. When I hear me through the window and half a veranda. Bloom for Simon and I'm out for Samantha. Repatriation is a stretch up your hands, yeah. Boom, the Rasta man I go to. Yo, when I feel hustle him, and him a juggle him room. Boom, the Rasta man I go to. Black people that carry love, that's why them blossom and bloom. Boom, the Rasta man I go to. Rise up early, return before noon. Yeah, boom, the Rasta man I go to. Juggle him, and him a juggle him root. Watch the high priest from the altar keep the Sabbath. After that, me turn me shine and gold, me make all room and mat. Them evil invention, me know it a go flop. Sleep out corruption, wickedness a figure stop. Red girl and green a that a bridge them gap. Me want the meditation from the mountain top. My black a reverence. Then the big make a dash, me touch the flat. The people them applaud and clap. Walk on me foot, the vehicle them run out of gas. Them a laugh, see the bungalow roof on me head top. I saw me hustle, so we put on we pat. We not go kill, we not go rape, we not go bust no gunshot. Bobo shanty, stand up for the poor and have that. Them get it by love because me burn up them cash. Them want to move for them room and them door want to matter. Yo, all the promises and all the ground that. Love is the key way of life, all that. King Selassie, I rule the mass. Red hot trail like boom, the Rasta man I go to. You want him a juggle him, mat and him a hustle him room. Boom, the Rasta man I go to. Tell the world, people stop it, come listen to the tune. Boom, the Rasta man I go to. Juggle him, mat and him a juggle him room. Boom, the Rasta man I go to. They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my grounds. They will never ever take my crown. Who Jah bless, I say no man curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found no weapon, just only a draw first. But I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. When they come with their evil thoughts, I just listen whenever they talk. I is the light into my dark. He cut and clear all my path. They fight me without a cause, trying to make my life so hard. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, give it all reward. I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. So down to mix me up in your dirty game. You're only trying to tarnish my name. You're only looking for the innocent to blame. When you're the ones who wish the guns down the lane. You only cause destruction and the pain. But the righteous believes in the rain. Love is all I got to give and I'm not to shine. Looking for the future, the sky I can't tame. Cause I'm so solid as a rock, and they just can't stop me now. Even when they send their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. So they can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and dance to the mic sound. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly love and really need you. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly need you. Damn, we've seen something great in you. Wow, the people put a lot of faith in you. You know, we wanna hear you sing. We've been waiting on you, love coming straight to you. Love and unity is all it is, yeah. Why won't you open your eyes and look? We got what we want. Sing on me chant. Don't be greedy. A bird in the hand is worth more than two in the bush. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly love and really need you. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly need you. You're hiding from yourself. Why you don't wanna see the uprising of yourself? Who conniving? Because that's just how you felt. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling right. I love my heart, too ungrateful. All along you take us for granted, too unfightful. Disrespect the power that was handed. You hateful. Hatred bring a bandage. My good with love, don't you know that's the strongest. My children, why you lock the door on them? Now you get so ignorant, you wanna turn the clock on them. People who help you in life, now you turn your back on them. Yo, money, yeah. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly love and really need you. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly need you. Damn, we've seen something great in you.
100% I love I show her. See, from lips to ear, she told I she care. But every time I call her phone, she's never there. The one I love the most, from pillar to post. A lot of girls have come my way, but I never stray. Cause I don't wanna fall in love again. This time I stop pretend. I don't wanna fall in love again. I thought she was my best friend. Now I hear she have another guy. I really don't know why. What can a man do but try? This girl just so hard to satisfy. Real hustler so rolling high. Everything where she wants supply. Find out say she damn red eye. Lucky thing me and I never multiply. Don't wanna fall in love again. This time I stop pretend. I don't wanna fall in love again. See, now I lose a friend. Yo, she promised that she woulda never cheat. I promised that I never woulda box and beat. I look it in the rasta keep it discreet. And if I take it serious, we go jump off a peak. I thought you I found the love of my lifetime. That I was the Ozzy, she the wife kind. No office seek me no love, can me find mine. No wonder why them so love make your eyes. I don't wanna fall in love again. This time I stop pretend. I don't wanna fall in love again. I thought she was my best friend. From lips to ear, she told I she cared. But every time I call her phone, she's never there. The one I love the most, from pillar to post. A lot of girls have come my way, but I never stray. Cause I don't wanna fall in love again. This time I stop pretend. I don't wanna fall in love again. See, now I lose my friend. Him broke, she broke, me broke, he broke. Every man out the road and look up. Him broke, she broke, he broke, me broke. Rain and fall, but not it tough. See, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. No one TV on me feel by cable. Hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. We make it enough man no able. See it. Run go look a walk a Matalan. Still I believe me couldn't work for your grand. Say it better if me wash up the car. See me pan the street a sell star. End up a play we down a Savlamar. Police catch lock me behind bar. Get beat up, chop up and scare. True, I'm just trying to reach far. Oh, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. No one TV on me feel by cable. Hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. We make it no time and no able. See it? Man I run a taxi a office stop. Police and no red plate no depend that. Me can't find money fi pay government tax. So me run, go build up on the roadside shop. Whoa, them send bulldozer licky down flat. Said no lies to Rasta don't got. And them hear me have the most gonna lock. And a me a sell weed for on a back. Whoa, hardy, hardy. Me put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. No have TV on me feel by cable. Hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. We make it no cute man, no able. From me band, me never watch BET. See, me know about Bob Marley. Same radio in a me house and me a tree. The old stereo when no play no CD. No one lose and me want.
Who could it be now? Knocking on the Rastaman's door. Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now? Yes. Who could it be now? Knocking on the Rastaman's door. I got to get myself away. Find me a place where I'll be free. City life is getting me down. Even when I sleep, I'm wearing a frown. Well, it couldn't be the landlord, couldn't be my baby. I told her not to wake me, not even for a cup of tea. So who could it be now? Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now? Knocking on the Rastaman's door. on the Rastaman's door. I'm in deep meditation, trying to find myself. Don't need no provocation. It's a minute after 12. Now who does to disturb my tranquility? When I'm meditating on the Almighty. So who could it be now? Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now? Knocking on the Rastaman's door. Who could it be now? Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now? Knocking on the Rastaman's door.
Cold-blooded murderer. Tell me where uno require. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. I tell them, I say weeping and moaning, I say everybody said flames with them and them innocent blood them shed. No matter how them plea and no matter how them beg, full them up a copper XYZ lead. Who killed the innocent man I got head. No matter how them plea and no matter how them beg. Mama pan a belly put a run pan a red. All on a ball over one son. Cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer, who no tell me what to no require. Where we say, I say by the sweat of your brow, you shall surely eat bread. Not for them no one work for them and his bread. That's why them see the innocent blood and come shed. Mama alabal and everybody said, how can a man get money if he go take a head and then go sit down him to bear him and him children eat bread. Must be sick in nine mind, I'm a dinner him head. Murderer, tell me where uno require. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. Where we say, no crowd of people, this is real. Yes, it could be a deal. The man will perform the works, then him goodly get peeled. From who I don't know what the truth have to reveal. Everything signed and everything done seal. When we hold them, everybody ya go feel. No matter how them ball and no matter how them squeal, them can't stop righteousness from reveal. Cold-blooded murderer, tell me where uno require. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. When me say, I say weeping and moaning, I say everybody said flames with them and them innocent blood them shed. No matter how them plea and no matter how them beg, pull them up a copper XYZ lead. One wear gold chain and one wear gold ring. One get up every day, pay my girl in, and them never sweat for a dime nor a shilling. That's why them see the innocent man and shot him. Look what how the man did that easy and thing. Give thanks and present to the Almighty King, and take care of all him family and thing. Roots and reality him keep preaching. You shouldn't see the innocent man, cold-blooded murderer. Tell me where uno require. When you hear me, cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill you.
Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Everyone is crying out for peace, yes. None is crying out for justice. Everyone is crying out for peace, yes. None is crying out for justice. But there will be no peace till man gets equal rights and justice. Equal rights them, nobody wants to die. Everybody wants to go up to heaven. None of them, nobody wants to die. But there will be no peace till man gets equal rights and justice. Hey, equal rights and justice. Hey, equal rights and justice. Hey, equal rights and justice. What is due unto Caesar? Give it unto Caesar. What is due unto I and I? You better give it on to I. There ain't gonna be no peace till man get equal rights and justice. Hey, equal rights and justice. Hey, equal rights and justice. Chant a prayer for humanity. Chant a psalms with Anthony B. Chant a psalms and peace. I know love is on the increase. We are chant a prayer for humanity. Chant a psalms with Anthony B. Chant a psalms and peace. I know love is on the increase. We say I've tried through stages and stages. I look and see Babylon in a rages. So I know it takes a revolution to make a solution. That's why we have to chant a prayer for humanity. Chant a psalms with Anthony B. Chant a psalms and peace. I know love is on the increase. Of the chant a prayer for humanity. Chant a psalms with Anthony B. Chant a psalms and peace. I know love is on the increase. We say the Lord is thy shepherd, I shall not want. No. He leadeth I through the green pasture. So. He put I and I beside the still water. My foot shall not be removed. My eye shall not sleep nor slumber. I and I stand firm like the rock of Gibraltar. So we chant a prayer for humanity. Chant a psalms with Anthony B. Chant a psalms and peace. I know love is on the increase. Help me chant a prayer for humanity. Chant a psalms with Anthony B. Chant a psalms and peace. I know love is on the increase. Me say, but me I go book them with Sizzla power. On them every minute, every second, every hour. Cause when I look and I see Babylon with them Lucifer 2000 plan, and them Illuminati to destroy human. I talk about the world I got end by the year 2000. I bring the youth them in a total chaos. Make it bless. Yes. One chalice load. Forget me in a the mode before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. And the good seeds, yo. One chalice load. Forget me in a the mode before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. We smoke nothing but the happy big it up, carry a the entrepreneur. If we get a cut this herb cover we soar. In a Kingston, Europe, Portmore, people are ball out. Give it more. Down at Jamaica where we have herbs galore. Time to build it up like Amsterdam herb store. If you check me house from ceiling to floor, have a sickness it a mature. Hey chop, one chalice low.
get me in the mood before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. Nothing but the seeds. Nothing but the seeds. Yo, one chalice load. Forget me in the mood before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. Hey, the good seeds. Good seeds. Ganja make me wise and meditate. Make me smart when educate. Well, a full-time marijuana motivate. Who lock it up? Time you fly the gate. Look how long man I wait. Marijuana well light we cultivate. Why you fight the healing of the nation? Stop a lock up man fear. Yo, police in a station. George Bush the American. Tony Blair in a the cheer up a London. Member say one chalice load. Get me in the mood before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. And the good seeds. Good seeds. Yo, one chalice load. Get me in the mood before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. I smoke nothing but nothing but. Yo, it get madder when me mix it with grabber. Make me shout a me man like Shabba. Immigration wonder when me got in the bag, yeah. Remember, I'm not a bank robber. It's just a purple haze, stinking skunk. Everybody smell it out and me car chunk. I've on me locks, I'm not a Charlene monk. If you use my marijuana, me no punk. Remember, say, one chalice load. To get me in the boat before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load.
Original thing. And the Rasta man a sing. Oh, why should I want to hurt my brother just for vanities? Why should I want to hurt my sister for the least of things? When I know I lives on the rain and the rule over everything. Nothing or no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. The people that became a victim, wow, because the system had make it so. Don't take no bribe from no politics, no. Scribes and Pharisees, I sing them below. One block love is that I come show. Just listen to this musical vibes that flow. From the seed what you sow, it bear the fruit for today and tomorrow. Why should I want to hurt my brother just for vanities? Why should I want to hurt my sisters for the least of things when I know Rastafari lives and reigns over everything? Nothing nor no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. I was born to protect black people, picnic them. No son clip the one to convict, but I'm bound them out from hurling and just clear my conscience. Can't sell me out for not a red cent. Righteousness is what the people want, eat and rage. Tell them be not so ignorant, take it one step at a time. I tell it to each and every one, Ethiopia, cut up your hands. Why should I want to hurt my brother just for vanities? Why should I want to hurt my sisters for the least of things when I know Rastafari lives on the rain and the rule over everything? Nothing or no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. I think nothing or no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. Oh, why should I want to hurt my brother just for vanity? Why should I want to hurt my sisters for the least of things when I know I lives on the reigns and the rule over everything? Nothing or no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. Oh, look way to make you great for this season. Down to kill your brother for no foolish reason. Equal rights and justice to share it even. Mother ain't gonna need you, so never let the break and deceive you. Speak the truth for the children to believe you. Oh, why should I want to hurt my brothers just for vanities? Why should I want to hurt my sisters for the least? Yeah, here, y'all. We got it right here. just don't care. We got it right here. So blaze up the chalice with the ganja you hear. We got it right here. We're smoking marijuana and we just don't care. We got it right here. So blaze up the chalice with the ganja. Herbs by the parcel, herbs in the bunch. Even if it's a small morsel, the vibe still a punch. Makes me so humble, no idea stunt. Good enough for the chalice and the blunt. Well up the inspiration that come out of it. All my brethren requesting some out of it. We got so much, could never run out of it. So pass it around, take a whiff or a flip. We got it right here. We're smoking marijuana like we just don't care. We got it right there. So blaze up the chalice with the ganja you hear. We got it right there. Smoking marijuana and we just don't care. We got it right there. So blaze up the chalice with the ganja. The cut it clean and ready, so fill it up. Even if it is a spliff, get to you to build it up. The whole world like it, so what you grill it up. Good sets from west, it's the best, so bring it up. Smoke it till my eyes them red. Promote the marijuana. That's what I said. Marijuana feed me, clothes me, and school me. You can't fool me. Give me the good old lamb spread. Yo, we got it right here. We're smoking marijuana like we just don't care. We got it right here. So blaze up the chalice with the ganja you hear. We got it right here. We're smoking marijuana like we just don't care. We got it right there. So blaze up the chalice with the ganja. Smoking herbs with my friends and my neighbors. It was created by the Most High Creator. We use it up for praises unto the Savior. Marijuana it make me get good behavior. So why is it they don't like it? Herb is the healing of the nation. So tell me why you fight it. Just give me the chalice, make me light it. And all the vision there has to be. We have to sight it.